Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. Another quick video, something that I wanted to point out. Unity seems like, from the last video that I released, it seems like it already ran up a lot, and it doesn't look like I'm going to be playing Unity at all because there's very little to the upside, right? So if we go on Unity, we're already almost halfway there. Essentially, you could still buy 133 call for like a month out and see if it hits. I might buy like one call for 133 on Unity for like maybe 2 weeks out to see if it hits. But apart from that, it's not good for the breakout because again, it already rallied so much on the upside. I think for now I will be sticking to Johnson & Johnson. So Johnson & Johnson right now, I will be playing this more than likely. You already had a crossover last week on the week of August 2nd, but you had a really nice candle close, or you're gonna have a candle close, a solid candle close on J&J. And somebody pointed out that while you have Pfizer, Moderna, basically all the vaccination stocks running, J&J is a little on the laggy side, right? So I can definitely see this propping all the way up, not necessarily to 133, but I'm sorry, to 181, but 185. So I think today, more than likely, maybe about a month out, I will be buying 181 and 185 calls expiring about a month out. For the most part, the weekly chart looks pretty stable. Like, it looks like it's going to keep running towards the upside. The monthly just crossed over and it closed bullish for July. And then on the 4 hour, which is a little bit more short term, it's still pretty bullish. So again, all the signs are there. On the weekly, we still have the 50 MA above the 200. So red line on top, blue line. And we are breaking not only relative highs, but all-time highs from, back of January 25th, the week of. And again, it looks like it's lagging a little bit compared to Moderna and Pfizer. So I would definitely be looking into this today. I will be buying calls for this about a month out for, it depends on the price. If 175s a month out are cheap, you guys know that I always like to do in the money as opposed to out of the money, because it basically means you lose less money, or if it does go on the downside, right? But right now, it looks like I will be purchasing like 175 in the money calls. And then once we actually start closing, and if we're still on top of these levels, on top of that 1.5, more than likely, I'll be buying a call for, 181, possibly 185 for a month out. But for J&J, I think I'm only buying 2 calls. If I don't buy calls, maybe shares, I don't know yet. But it does seem like we still have a pretty nice move towards the upside. Let's say if we buy right now, for the first take profit, you're looking at, it's only 3%. Second take profit, about 5%. So you won't see significant gains if you do shares. Maybe on options if IV is high for J&J, but don't expect to have, 102% gains. At least that's not what I'm expecting going in, but I'm still going to be looking at this play because it does look like it's going to be in our favor. And again, more than likely, depending on how much things cost, I'll either buy 175 for a month out and also possibly 181, 185 or 185 for a month out. Really just depends how much they cost. So J&J is great. Unity not looking so good because it already finished about like 80% of the run that it could have had because it's closing way above relative high Unity at all, because it already had most of its gain for this week. So I'll see you guys later. This is essentially the only breakout that I'm looking for. I haven't had time to look at the charts for other breakouts. So thank you. I forgot who told me about J&J. I think it was Blue Core. I'm not 100% sure, but whoever gave me, recommended this ticker that I look at, thank you. I will be going into this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.